going on, friends and followers? We're back out here with another one. We are hitting North County SD Cars and Coffee, and I haven't really been to this meet before, so we're gonna check it out and see what it's all about. I know just from glance it's got a lot of classic American muscle, but we're gonna find out right now, and I'll get some dope rollers. So here we go. Oh yeah, we out here. It's your boy Josh. I'm gonna get some of these American muscle cars. Here we go. Exit is insanely good sounding. Oh wow. You can see he's got the rears still, but the side exit the side exit is boss. love myself a Ford GT. Woo! Red? How often do you see red? Usually see charcoal and black. But a red Ford GT? Oh wow. And this one happens to be particularly beautiful. Anyways, see what else shows up. There's always gems. That's why I come to meets that I never go to before, because you always get a dope ride or two. And that's what it's all about. Seeing new cars, meeting new people, spreading the love. I guess when you got a GTR, you can line up with the American cars and nobody really bats an eye. But I'm in a Subaru Bug-Eye, so I ain't trying to be over here with all the American muscle looking like a dummy, okay? I know my place. My place is over there with this other random Subaru, see? That's a beautiful car. Wow. Super clean, super wide. A quick show of muscle for this weekend car meet. Make sure to take action and stay motivated. We'll see you on the next one. Have a good day. And the Auga to seal the deal. Damn.